Hey y'all, it's Mary and I have friend mail. I got a package and I got some envelopes and some I can show and some I can't because of addresses. But I did cut this open. This package must have fallen open. The tape is messed up and it says received in damaged condition, and that is taped by the post office. So hopefully everything is all right in there. And that is from a subscriber, and I'll do that one last. I'm just gonna go through the cards, okay? Because I have a few cards here. I have a couple of cards I have a card from Miss Josette Tharp. Josette is a wonderful subscriber of mine. I've known her a good long while, and she sent a card to me. And let me open it and see. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. Peace on Earth. Peace on earth. That is what I say. Blessed are they who do hunger and thirst after righteousness, for they shall be filled. That's Matthew 5:6, the King James Version. This is dated Christmas Day. May all of life's treasures bring you peace at Christmas. Then there's some personal things in here. Peace at Christmas and New Year, she said. Thank you, Mary, for always bringing a smile to my heart. You're such a sweet, caring person. And see, then she tells me she was born in Chicago. She lives in Texas, but she was born in Chicago. And she tells me a bunch of personal kinds of things. So I'm not going to read all of that, y'all. I love talking with Josette. She's just a sweetheart. And she just really enjoys watching our channels. And I just love you, Josette. Thank you so much for that beautiful card. I will read that in private later. And I got a couple of cards from Laurie Daniel. The boys are, who knows what they're up to. A couple of cards from her, and these are, she told me that they were coming, and they got a little damaged maybe because they're super cute. I don't want to show her address or anything. And part of why they probably came late, Laurie, is they do have the wrong address. She's been worrying about them because she sent them out a while ago. Look at those cute stamps. And the other one has those cute, those are from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Super cute. But I don't want to show you Laurie's address, and I don't want to show you my address. And the address is wrong. The P.O. box is wrong. But they found me. They found me. So yay. But look how cute the back is of this one. This is that washi tape. And I think that's what you call this because this has beads on it. So is that still washi tape, or is washi tape just flat? I don't know, but this says love. And this is a three-dimensional thing. I don't know how this made it through the mail. Laurie, thank you so much. And then this one says, please don't bend. And look how pretty this one is. Here's some, this is a beaded tape, and then that beautiful sticker. And it's three-dimensional, and it did not fall off. It says, please don't bend on that one. Let's open this one first just because I have it. This one is more like smashed up and stuff. So let's make sure everything's okay in there. I just can't believe that got through all right, you know, with the beads on it, but it did. Oh, this is a happy birthday card. Okay, and there's something inside. Let's, how cute is that? Thank you so much, Laurie. That's so sweet of you to think of me. That's so precious. You know, I want a baby so bad, but I'm not going to get one. I keep asking at the vet, but I'm not, but they keep saying no to me. So they know to say no. Even if we have any, well, I'll see them eventually, but it says, you will show me the path to life, abounding joy in your presence, the delights at your heart for hand. I'm sorry, let me start that over. This is Psalm 16:11. You will show me the path to life, abounding joy in your presence, the delights at your right hand forever. To Mary, wishing you much love and laughter on your birthday and every day. Wishing you a happy birthday. I love you. Love and peace, Laurie. Thank you so much, Laurie. That's so sweet. That is such a cute card. I love it. Thank you. And inside that card is this. It feels really good. Isn't that adorable? I have not seen this one, Laurie. It says that it is a sheet mask, a smoothing retinol sheet mask. That is super cute. Oh, and I think it is a character mask. It looks like it might be. So I will do that soon. Let's see if it says, I don't see a brand on it. How to use, yeah, I don't see anything, but it's just too cute. Too cute. It says, you know, put on and leave on for 20 minutes. And then massage the remaining serum. So I'm excited to try that one, retinol. It's just adorable. Thank you, Laurie. And then the other card that she sent, let me open that one up. It's also thick. So these were like hand canceled, you know, you can tell by the, that's the way to do it if you're gonna do it, thick stuff, so that it doesn't get damaged through the machines. Ooh, there's some pretty things in there. Oh my. Okay, this is beautiful. Thank you, Laurie. That's such a tranquil scene. I love it. It says, to Mary, thank you so much for your friendship. You are so loving and kind. Thank you for helping her. Her grandson passed away. Very, very sad, y'all. He drowned. I did talk about it last year when it happened. Try to get awareness about babies drowning and how they can learn how to swim. So, okay. She's saying that it's difficult to get through the holidays without him. So thank you for your love and support. You're welcome, Laurie. Thank you. It says, to Mary Smudge in Blue. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So very hard times to go through when you are grieving, for sure. Very difficult to go through the holidays. So Laurie sent me some cute little things in here. So let me show you the sticker. And this one says, don't hurry, be happy. Isn't that cute? And this little guy in a stocking, and another one on a tree, a sloth. And then these are beautiful, Laurie. I think these are magnets. I think so. These are little dragonflies. And aren't they adorable? They have a little black dot on them. I think they're magnets. So I'm going to put those on my fridge. I don't know. Smudge may get a hold of them. I have to, he gets up on my refrigerator up on the top and knocks things off. So I will do my best to keep them out of his reach, because if he gets them, that'll be it. And then there is this pretty little thing. This is adorable. It is a necklace. Let me see, I'll take it off the card and show y'all. It's a kitty cat. It's a pretty little necklace, and it's a little kitty cat. And it has a little blue stone. You can see that. Let me try to put it against my hand so you can see it. Oops, yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you, Laurie. That was so sweet of you to do that. You did not have to do that. So sweet. I love it. So pretty. Very delicate. Very, very delicate. Thank you, Laurie. Thank you, thank you. That's so sweet of you all to send me things. I appreciate it. And then I have this damaged package. So hopefully everything is going to be okay in there. This is from Marlene Walker. She is a subscriber as well. And let me just take everything out. And I see there's a few things in there. And then I will show you. Because I was going to say, I think there's probably a card, and there it is. Okay. All right. So there's a card. Excuse me. Oh, this is cute. Hanging for the holidays. Another sloth. How cute is that? Sloths are so adorable, y'all. I love seeing videos of the baby sloths. Oh, it says, I'm sorry this is late, but I hope you get some use out of everything. Have a relaxing Christmas. Your friend, Marlene. Okay. And let's see what's in here. Oh, this is very nice. I do love the kitchen towels. This is pretty. Have a very Merry Christmas. A red VW bug with presents on it. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. And then this one says Warm and Cozy Christmas, and it's a camper. That's adorable, Marlene. Thank you so much. That's adorable. I love it. And then we have these adorable socks. I love socks, y'all. These are really cute. Santa and presents socks. And Christmas trees. Thank you, Marlene. That's so sweet of you. And then there are a couple other things. This is the Spascriptions brand. And let me show it to you, and then I'll read what's in there. This is, does it say on the box? It says Wishes and Kisses Lip Therapy Kit. Oh, okay. There is the exfoliating lip scrub and then nourishing lip mask. There's the lip scrub and the lip mask. And these are nice size bottles. Let's pop out of here. Look at how nice that is. That's a big size. for lip scrub. I love good lip scrubs. Ooh, it smells good. Look at how pretty that is. It looks really sugary. It smells, it's not strong, but it smells sort of like blueberry. Sort of go with the color of it. Oh, it does say gummy bear scents. So that's what it smells like candy. And then this one says cotton candy and collagen. It doesn't come out as easy as the other one. Let me see if I can open the bottom. Well, maybe not. It's all sealed, of course. Let's see if I can pop it out. Yeah, there we go. So cotton candy is going to be this one. And that's a gel looking. It does smell it. It's very faint, which is nice. So especially when it's on, when scents are on your face, it's nice when they're subtle, because then they're just not too strong and they won't bother you. But that is nice. Thank you, Marlene. I'm going to put that right on my bathroom sink. And then this is the Kiss brand. Short length, new short length. Peel off and press on. These are good old press-ons. I love them. And they're Christmas ones. So I'll save these for next year, Marlene. I sure will. I love them. I wear press-ons all the time. This brand, Kiss, is a good brand. And they're just real, they're going to be very festive for Christmas. So thank you. I love that. Thank you so much, Marlene. That was so sweet of you to send that to me. And y'all, thank you so much for the beautiful cards and the beautiful gifts. Y'all are so kind and sweet to me, and I appreciate it very, very much. And I just appreciate y'all being here and taking the time to come to my channel and watch me and talk to me. And, you know, sending a card, it's just nice to know that I'm being thought of. And I think of you guys every day. I pray for you every evening. I love you all very much. And I thank you so much for coming by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.